this is Lana Beniko. Not the greatest position, I know, but the lower wilds is as close to the Sith Academy as our team could manage. The Republic's pulled out all the stops with this invasion. But we fully expect your retaliation to surpass their efforts. Fight your way up to the Valley of the Dark Lords and reclaim the Sith Academy. Spare no one.
Chopachawa Aita. Ikiona posta Molulia, tupata jinwa Tusawa. Kabaje kulwana kose jisinchi tunoma. Posta Molulia, tupata jinwa Tusawa. Posta Molulia, tupata jinwa Tusawa. Kabaje kulwana kose jisinchi tunoma.
I've received word from Sergeant Tarston on the ground. It appears your arrival hasn't gone unnoticed. A Republic barricade has just been fashioned to bar your progress. While hastily constructed, it is formidable. But we have every faith in you.
Chopachawa. Kabaje kulwana kose jisinchi tunoma.
What is it this time, Sergeant?
These Sith apprentices were holed up in a medical supply storeroom. They're injured, some of them seriously, but they're able to walk at least. Your orders?
They're in no shape to fight. Find them someplace where they can recover.
Yes, of course. I'll see to it personally. Move out, cowards! Now!
Chopper Kawajek Ulwana Koseji Sinchitu Noma.
I don't envy you right now. I don't know what I'd do if I saw the Academy in the enemy's hands. Encrypted transmissions have been traced back to the Dark Council chambers. That must be where the Republic Command is operating from. We hope you don't find any Dark Council members up there. Captured or dead, either would constitute a gross humiliation.
Chopper Aita. Utane. Chopachawa. Kawajek Ulwana Koseji Sinchitu Noma. Chopachawa Aita. Wano Kumulira. Nada. Wano Kumulira. No Kawajek Ulwana Koseji Sinchitu Noma. If you're not posta Murulia, to Bataji Muachusawa.
They've breached the front entrance. It's only a matter of time. Be ready.
Jedi. You befoul the Dark Council with your presence.
This place was already foul. But don't worry, Sis. I have no intention of staying.
It's been conveyed to me that you shouldn't be allowed to leave. Not alive, at any rate.
So it's happening. I didn't think I'd have served my purpose so soon.
That's right. It's over for you. Jedi.
Press the attack! You can't win! Enough sparring! Did you really think you could take me? The Empire won't even know what hit it! This fight was inevitable! You can't win! Hardly impressive! Did you really think you could take me? You can't win! You can't stop it! It's happening. It's all happening. And you can't stop it.
And you can't stop this.
And with that, the Sith Academy is secure. I suppose saying good work would constitute a gross understatement.
This Jedi commander, he said some odd things.
I'm sure Darth Arcus would like to hear about it. He's eager to offer up his congratulations in person. You've really come through for the Empire. There is so much for us to thank you for, and much yet to discuss. I hope we see you soon.